Hi! Facebook has over 2.6 billion monthly active users. Wow! This is a huge number of people. But it offers an opportunity for you to showcase your skills, talent, and make money from this number of persons. My name is Lucy Daniel, and you're welcome to Skill African channel, the one place to access practical tutorial, educational video. Subscribe below to get notification each time we upload new content. So, for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a pro page for your business. This tutorial is completely for beginners who wants to learn how to create an engaging page for their business from start to finish. So, in this tutorial, I'll be carrying you step-by-step process in creating a pro page. First, I will show you a summary step that are involved in creating a page. Second, I will show you a practical demo of how to create a pro page. So let's dive in. So to create your page, you need a Facebook profile account. So if you don't have a profile account on Facebook, just go to facebook.com to sign up and get one for yourself. Okay, now when you are on your profile account, you go to the top right corner, select create. From there you select page. Then next you select your category. The next final step for creating a page is that you put in your business address and your phone number. Now, this is just the basic steps that are involved in creating a page. Now, let's learn how to optimize our page. Now, page setup is page optimization. So I'm going to list out the steps that you must put to set up your page. So what you need to do, these steps can serve as a checklist in creating your page. So follow me. Add a profile picture. In creating your page, you must make sure you add a profile picture because your profile picture is how people recognize your business when you post, when you comment, and when you interact with other people. So this can be your logo, this can be your personal profile if you are a brand. So when you have add your profile, the next important setup you need to do for your page is your cover page. The next one is you need to set up your base description. Create a page username. You must do this whenever you are setting your page. Your page username is how people see you when they search for what you do. So your username helps you to appear on Facebook search engine. You must add call to action. If you're setting up a page and when people come to your page and they don't see the next thing you want them to do. Everybody wants to make money. You want someone that will call you, book an appointment, order for your product. So you must make sure you add call to action on your page. It's the other sections that are involved in page setting. I will show you every one of them. So this slide can serve as a checklist whenever you are creating your page on the things that you need to do. So subscribe below. Facebook, you can see us as Skill Africa AF, or Instagram, you see us as Skill Africa. This is my profile account, and I want to create a page for my business. How do I go about it? So follow me. Let's do a practical demo. So I go to create, as I have said in the slide. You go to page. So when I get here, I will see two options here: business or brand, community or public figure. Now you select business or brand if you are selling a product or offering a services. You will select community or public figure if you are an NGO or you are a public figure, let's say a pastor, a motivational speaker, a coach. You can use a public figure as your page category. So for this section, our page category is going to be product and service. So I select this one. So let's go on. Okay, for this demo, I'll be using D Agency. D Agency is a social media agency. So we are into social media management for small businesses. So I put social media as my category. So I select social media agency. Now, in selecting your category, you may not see the exact category, but then look for something closer to your business category. For my own, I saw exactly the category that fits in. So when I have done that, I will put the address of my business. So let's say I'm Sean. So let's go ahead. I put in my address. Let's say 5 Asa Road. On your own, try to be detailed about, let's say, Aba, Abia State. I select that. Fill in other details. Fill in your phone number. Very important because you want people to contact. There's another thing I want to show you. Write down below. That is, don't show my address. So you need to check this. If your business is an online business and you don't have a physical location where people can visit, so you just quickly click on check this box. With this, it means that Facebook will not check. So what we need to do is just to skip them. For now, let's skip them. I will show you, just not now. So I will show you how to page. So we need to set up this page. You can see the page is empty, nothing. If someone comes to this page, they won't see anything to know about you. So the first your profile picture, you need to use your logo, or if you are a personal brand, you use your picture. And the image you use for your profile picture needs to be clear. To design one, you go to canva.com, type Facebook profile. You will get the exact template site for your design. So for this purpose of this class, I have already did a design for this class. So in order to save time, so this is my design. Then I will need to do a little touch on this. I need to do a little touch. I just need something simple for this. So when you have finished designing, you just download. Now when you have downloaded your design, you go back to your Facebook. So let's upload the design we just did. Okay, this is the design. We click open. So when you are here, you need to make sure that drag and make sure that your image is properly positioned so that Facebook will to add your cover photo. Now your cover photo, it can be a photo or a video or a slideshow. Now I highly recommend slideshow or a video. If you're using a slideshow, at least 6 to 7 images that show detailed explanation of your business. If you're using photo, show a detailed picture of your product, or you can use your physical shop as your profile picture if it's nice and show detail of what you do, because people can use it to recognize you when they come offline to look for you. In your video, if you're using video as your cover page, make sure it's between 20 seconds to 90 seconds maximum. So let's go and let's use photo. So I also use Canva to design a cover photo for this tutorial. So there's no need of us going to Canva, but always remember that you can use Canva to create your. So let's upload a cover photo I have done earlier before this class. So I upload it. So when someone come here, you will know that we are the agency and we are best social media agency. So with this, the person understand we are social media agency. So the another setup you need to do here, basic setup, is to add your call to action. So your call to action is things you want people to do when they come to your page. So there are different options here. We have book with us, contact us, learn more about our business, shop with us. So you use each one that best suits your business. So for me, I want them to contact me. So I probably send email important for your business. You need an email address for your business. So this is your email address. You save it. When you have done that, you click what? Finish. So our call to action is set up, our cover page is set up, our Facebook. So we are here. Now this place, you will see everything you need to set up in your Facebook page. Everything you need to set. Now I will not be doing all of them, but I will show you how to, the things that you need to take note of. Now, description, you want people to know about your business and they are using to search for you. Just create save. Now, another thing you need to do is select category. Facebook offers 3 category options for you. So you have the right to choose up to 3 categories you think still falls under your business. We are social media agency, we are marketing agency. So we are advertising, you are marketing agency. We offer training. Let's say we offer training, and say education too as our category. So make sure you select make sure you select the maximum 3 categories for your page. So when you have done that, there are additional information here. Let's say there are not here that you want people to know about your business. This is a section where you put in the additional information. The next thing is to put your phone number. Select the country code here that fits your that in line with your country. Let's say I'm in Nigeria. I select my country code and put in my phone number. Now, in case you don't have a phone number, you don't want people to call you, you can check this box that my page does not have a phone number. So here is your website. You need to put in your website link. It's not compulsory, but it's necessary. You can just create Google My Business website and use the link here as your website. With time, you build your own website. Another one is email. As I said before, you need an official email. Your official email should be separate from the personal email. Create one with gmail.com. When you have done that, put the link here. Very necessary for your page. Now, another thing is your address. Use an exact address for your business. Make sure you have, if you have a location people can visit, put in the address and make sure it's here. But in case you don't have, always remember you can do what? Check this list. You can check this box and Facebook will not show people your address. Now, service area. Now, you need to add the service area for your page. These are areas you can offer service conveniently. You have the right to select up to 10 neighborhoods or cities or region you offer. Let's say you offer your services in Nigeria. Let's say Nigeria. Offer Abuja, Nigeria. You can up to 10 regions you can offer services. Now the next thing is your open hour. The open hour is to help tell people when they come to your page if you are available to respond to their message or not. There are different options when open on a selected hour when you have a specific time when you can respond to customers. You click another one is always open. You use always open when you know you can respond to people's comments at 247 you are paying for business. No hour available. If you are not available to take people's call, you just click no hour available. Permanently close if this page is like if you are running a business and at a point you stop operating, you use permanently close. So let's just click always open for this page. You just see. So these ones, they are not. So if you have a temporary changes about your business, this is a section. Now price range. If you have a specific price range, you want people to know ahead of time before contacting you. This is a section you put it. So for this page, I said unspecified range. Now, another one is privacy policy. Now, privacy policy is a way to link people back to your website. So in case in your website you have your privacy set up already, you just copy the link to the privacy and paste it here. So people are going to your about you, they can see it and it will link them back to your website. This is also a second set. Now we are done with our page set. Now for the username should come here. But because we have not gotten up to 25 likes, we are not eligible to username. So you can only, so when you have gotten up to page 25 page like, then you can customize your username and you can create a show. You'll be able to create a nice page for your business. There are other setups that needs to be done, like with your posting. Before you invite someone to this page, you need to create your milestone page. You need to create at least 4 to 5 posts before inviting people, so that when they come, they will know what you do and they will want to like your page. So thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel without subscribing. See you next content.